How to insert logo in all the pages in Word. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a logo into all the pages of your Microsoft Word document. This is a great way to brand your document and make them look professional. So let's get started. First, make sure your logo is ready. You can have it saved on your PC. For this example, I have my logo right here. Simply right click on the logo and select copy. Next, open the Microsoft Word. Once you're in, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Now here, click on Header and select the blank one. This will create a blank header for you to work with. Once the header is open, right-click on and select Paste to insert your logo. You can adjust the size by clicking on the logo and dragging the corners to make it smaller or larger depending on your preference. After resizing, if you want to center the logo, double-click on it. And now let's scroll through the document. You will see that the logo appears on every page just like we want it. And that's it. You have successfully inserted a logo into all the pages of your Word document. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.